Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today we're carefully accessing the Hisense TV service menu step by step. Place the Hisense TV on a stable surface and make sure the Hisense TV screen is powered on. Pick up the Hisense TV remote and confirm the Hisense TV batteries are working properly. Point the remote directly at the Hisense TV infrared sensor. Press the menu button once to confirm the Hisense TV remote is responding. Exit the menu to return the Hisense TV to the home screen. Keep the Hisense TV powered on, and do not unplug the Hisense TV yet. Using the Hisense TV remote, press mute to test the Hisense TV audio response. Press the numbers 1, 8, 2 in sequence on the Hisense TV remote. Watch closely as the Hisense TV reacts to the service command input. If nothing happens, slowly repeat the code on the Hisense TV remote again. Make sure the Hisense TV remote stays pointed at the Hisense TV the entire time. The Hisense TV service menu should now appear on the Hisense TV screen. Keep hands steady and avoid random presses inside the Hisense TV service menu. Use the arrow keys to navigate the Hisense TV service menu carefully. Highlight options slowly to avoid changing the Hisense TV critical settings. Do not press OK unless you fully understand the Hisense TV option selected. Check the Hisense TV panel information without modifying any values. Scroll gently to view the Hisense TV firmware and system status. Avoid factory reset options inside the Hisense TV service menu. If the Hisense TV freezes, stop all inputs immediately. Press exit to leave the Hisense TV service menu safely. If exit fails, power off the Hisense TV using the remote. Unplug the Hisense TV power cable from the wall socket. Wait at least 60 seconds to fully power cycle the Hisense TV. Plug the Hisense TV power cable back into the outlet. Power on the Hisense TV and watch for normal startup behavior. Check that the Hisense TV logo appears correctly on screen. Confirm the Hisense TV picture and sound are functioning normally. Navigate through basic menus to ensure the Hisense TV is stable. If issues remain, avoid re-entering the Hisense TV service menu repeatedly. Improper changes can permanently damage the Hisense TV panel. Always document original Hisense TV values before adjustments. Use the Hisense TV service menu only for diagnostics. Never copy settings from another Hisense TV model. Each Hisense TV panel uses unique calibration data. Turn off the Hisense TV after completing checks. Disconnect HDMI cables from the Hisense TV if troubleshooting display issues. Clean the Hisense TV ports gently using dry hands only. Reconnect cables securely to the Hisense TV ports. Power on the Hisense TV again to test changes. Watch for warning signs like flicker on the Hisense TV screen. If problems appear, stop using the Hisense TV service menu. Normal users should rely on standard Hisense TV settings. The Hisense TV service menu is meant for technicians only. Use this Hisense TV method carefully and responsibly. Tech Vibes always recommends safe Hisense TV handling. If unsure, consult an authorized Hisense TV technician. Thanks for trusting Tech Vibes for Hisense TV solutions. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more Hisense TV troubleshooting guides.